And one of the major problems facing Floridians right now, and we've had all kinds of them, but it's this continuing debacle over flood insurance and the changes that have been made in Washington, which could cost a lot of Floridians, not necessarily those who live on the water, but could cost them a whole lot of money. And I know Congressman Gus Bilirakis has been one of those very concerned about it. And I just saw that Senator Bill Nelson has come up with perhaps a proposal that would do what Congress does so well, and that is postpone something and so-called kick the can down the road. But Congressman Gus Bilirakis, thank you for joining us on AM Tampa Bay this morning. Do you see some consistency here that they will postpone this increase in flood insurance rates for Floridians?
Well, what I've been working on, Jack, I have my own bill, and this bill wouldn't kick the can down the road. It was actually the only solution out there, and I've discussed it with our leadership, specifically Eric Cantor. And what this would do is cap the premiums in no more than the appraised value of the structure over a 30-year period. It would be a backstop, and then phase in the rate increases over 10 years and allow homeowners to pay on a monthly basis. I think it's very reasonable. I've got several co-sponsors, so we don't really want to kick the can down the road. Of course, our constituents need relief now. There's no question, but I have a solution here.
Yeah, the Bill Nelson one, I think, is to postpone the Biggert Waters bill, I think it's called, for 4 years. But again, then you're going to be hit with the same kind of a problem you face right now.
Yeah, and that's what they're talking about here, too. I will tell you there's been a lot of progress made on this side of the aisle. We still have a little work to do, but I think we'll get a bill out. It depends. It's just a matter, of course, the bills have to be identical ultimately to pass out of the House and Senate, signed by the President. But we'll get it done soon. But my bill's in the mix. And I think it should be taken seriously, and so far it has been. I've talked to Marco Rubio about it as well.
Yeah, and that would get you the help you need in the Senate.
Right.
This because it's something that needs to be dealt with now, and the whole problem is it's twofold. First of all, you can't continue to subsidize this because it's a pretty heavy expense on taxpayers all over the country. And the second thing is that we in Florida are getting screwed because we're basically subsidizing Louisiana,
flooding,
and Texas and Alabama and Mississippi.
You're right.
Because they're the ones that are recipients of all of this flood insurance money while we're paying the premiums.
Right. And again, we can't continue to subsidize, but we have to phase it in. That's why my bill does it over 10 years. And rather than 3 years, which is the Biggert Waters language. So we're making a great deal of progress. There's no question. And it's just unsustainable now, Jack. I mean, you shouldn't have to pay more than your mortgage premium for flood insurance, and that's what's happening. I mean, $20,000-$30,000. I get the emails, the phone calls, and it's outrageous. People can't afford this. So this is a good solution. And I believe it's being taken seriously. But we got to get something done.
Yeah.
If there's going to be a delay, fine, but let's work on a solution. And the sooner the better.
Well, we wish you the best with the getting your bill through there, because it does sound like the proper answer here and not just delaying everything. And we appreciate your joining us this morning on AM Tampa Bay, Congressman Bilirakis.
Thank you, Congressman.